obìnrin, obìnrin.
Eskelebebe tí ò léèrè.
It is smoke Igbo.
Jesus! God have mercy upon us.
What is this? What did be this? What did be this? In fact, this guy should be arrested. Was this how it was packaged? Now, if you are trying to repackage your Starlink pack, it's a very simple thing. First thing, you can't repackage it after testing it when the Starlink is already on stool. You have to store that Starlink before it will get back perfectly well into the case. Okay, so now this is what you are going to do. First of all, you have to download the Starlink app and you know where to get it. If you don't know where to get it, go to your village. Okay. Now you know where to go to. Then once you don't download your Starlink app, you just connect to your hotspot, your Starlink network. Once you're connected to it, you go to the app and you open it. It will show you that you are connected to your Starlink. What you do is you click on the setting, you go to the setting and you see router and Starlink. So you click on Starlink and then you see store Starlink. What you just need to do is to just move it to the right hand side, and once you do that, it will store your Starlink. Alright, so that's how you store your Starlink before repackaging it, okay? And beware of those people that are doing fake tutorials on what they don't know. You can decide to play with it if you don't have anything to play with that day, okay? But if it's spoil, go buy another one. Not me sending you that one. Okay, good. So I'm going to repackage it very quickly. Oh. I want to say we are very sorry for this damage, and for this you don't need it. So this is our Starlink. Good. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to Repackaging Media, or some of you don't even know the channel's name. That's very bad. In fact, we can't flog you. Sorry. Please subscribe to this channel. Believe me, you will get a lot of amazing content from this channel. And also click on that notification bell so you get notified whenever we post new content on this channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to also comment. Probably you also gotten into this trap before and still you don't even know how to solve it. You have gotten how to do it, right? Okay, good. So drop the like, drop the comments, and we hope to see you some other time.
Is your church struggling with poor video or streaming quality? Are you lacking the equipment that make for a better media workflow? Repackaging Media has got you covered. We have good laptops, live streaming mixers, cameras of different kinds, network devices and solutions, and other media accessories. We offer a wide range of quality products to suit any budget, and we have also introduced a system of paying in installments, so you can acquire any equipment of your choice without going bankrupt. Don't settle for less. Contact us via WhatsApp today. Repackaging Media, your partner in media and technology.